For many people, self-doubt does not appear overnight. It develops quietly over the years through repeated disappointments, painful experiences, harsh criticism, and moments when life seems to whisper that they are simply not good enough. At first, these thoughts may seem small and harmless, but over time, they begin to shape the way you see yourself. You start questioning your abilities before you even try. You hesitate to take opportunities because you already expect failure. You compare yourself to others and believe they possess something special that you somehow lack. Eventually, this inner voice becomes so familiar that you mistake it for the truth. Yet the truth is very different. The thoughts you have accepted about yourself are not permanent facts. They are mental habits that have been repeated until they feel real. One of the most powerful lessons inspired by Dr. Joseph Murphy is that the subconscious mind accepts whatever beliefs you consistently impress upon it. If you repeatedly tell yourself that you are incapable, unworthy, or destined to fail, your subconscious begins working to make those beliefs feel like reality. However, the same incredible power can work in your favor. The moment you begin planting thoughts of confidence, peace, strength, and success into your mind, your subconscious gradually starts creating a new foundation for your life. This transformation does not happen because of luck or magic. It happens because your mind responds to the ideas you consistently nurture. Imagine how different your life could become if, instead of expecting rejection, you expected opportunities. Instead of fearing mistakes, you viewed them as valuable lessons. Instead of believing that your past defines your future, you recognize that every new day offers another chance to become someone stronger. Healing begins the moment you stop fighting yourself and start becoming your own greatest supporter. It starts with noticing the words you speak to yourself each day. Every encouraging thought becomes a seed planted in the fertile ground of your subconscious. Every act of self-compassion weakens the old patterns that kept you trapped in fear. Every small decision to believe in yourself builds emotional strength that grows over time. You do not have to become confident all at once. You simply need to take one honest step after another. Progress is created through consistency, not perfection. Even if your confidence has been damaged for years, your mind still has the remarkable ability to learn, adapt, and heal. The past may explain why you struggle today, but it does not have the authority to decide who you will become tomorrow. The greatest gift you can give yourself is permission to believe that change is possible. Because the journey toward lasting confidence always begins with a single new belief that says, I am worthy of a better future, and I have the power to create it. The greatest obstacle to healing is often not the outside world, but the silent conversation taking place within your own mind. Every day, your inner dialogue either strengthens your confidence or slowly tears it apart. If your first response to every challenge is, I can't do this, your subconscious mind accepts that statement as a direction instead of a question. It does not stop to argue or evaluate whether the belief is accurate. It simply works faithfully to support whatever you repeatedly believe. This is why becoming aware of your thoughts is one of the most important steps toward emotional freedom. Inspired by the timeless principles taught by Dr. Joseph Murphy, you can begin replacing destructive beliefs with empowering ones that encourage growth instead of fear. This process does not require perfection. It requires persistence. Every morning offers a fresh opportunity to choose different thoughts before the world fills your mind with distractions. Instead of replaying yesterday's disappointments, begin your day by affirming that you are growing stronger, wiser, and more confident. These words may feel unfamiliar at first, especially if you have spent years believing the opposite. That is perfectly normal. Every meaningful change begins with a decision that feels uncomfortable because it challenges an old habit. Think about how a garden changes when weeds are removed and healthy seeds are planted in their place. Your mind works in much the same way. If you continue watering fear, worry, resentment, and self-criticism, those emotions will continue to grow. But if you consistently nourish your mind with hope, gratitude, patience, and self-respect, your inner world gradually becomes a place of peace rather than conflict. There will still be difficult days, and there will still be moments when old doubts attempt to return. The difference is that you no longer have to accept those thoughts as your identity. You can observe them without allowing them to control your decisions. Confidence is not the absence of fear. It is the willingness to move forward despite fear, because you trust that your inner strength is greater than your temporary emotions. Every time you choose courage over hesitation, you reinforce a healthier belief about yourself. Every challenge you face becomes evidence that you are more resilient than you once imagined. As your subconscious mind absorbs these repeated experiences, it begins replacing the old image of limitation with a new image of possibility. This quiet transformation may not be visible overnight, but it is happening beneath the surface, just as roots grow long before a tree reaches the sky. Trust the process of renewal, even when the results seem small. Celebrate each positive thought, every courageous decision, and every moment of self-kindness, because they are all building the foundation of a healthier future. The life you desire begins with the beliefs you consistently choose today, and every new belief carries the power to shape the person you are steadily becoming. One of the most life-changing discoveries you can make is realizing that your past does not have the final word over your future. Too many people spend years carrying old labels that were placed on them by failures, criticism, rejection, or painful experiences. They begin to believe they are broken because someone once told them they were not talented enough, intelligent enough, or worthy enough. Over time, these opinions become deeply rooted beliefs that quietly influence every decision they make. Yet those beliefs were never meant to define your identity. They were simply experiences, not permanent truths. Inspired by the enduring wisdom of Dr. Joseph Murphy, you can begin understanding that the subconscious mind does not distinguish between a belief you intentionally choose and one you accepted by accident. It simply responds to whatever you repeatedly impress upon it with emotion and conviction. This means you have far more influence over your future than you may have ever imagined. Every positive belief you consistently practice becomes a new instruction for your subconscious mind. Instead of carrying the burden of yesterday, you can begin creating a completely different expectation for tomorrow. Imagine waking up each morning without immediately replaying old mistakes in your mind. Imagine looking at yourself with patience instead of criticism and with hope instead of fear. This change does not happen because your circumstances suddenly become perfect. It happens because your perspective begins to transform from the inside out. As your thinking changes, your emotional responses begin to change as well. Situations that once filled you with anxiety gradually become opportunities to grow. Challenges that once convinced you to quit become invitations to discover strengths you never realized you possessed. This is the remarkable power of renewing your inner world. Every day presents hundreds of small moments where you can either repeat an old belief or create a new one. When something goes wrong, you can choose to tell yourself that failure defines you, or you can remind yourself that every successful person has learned valuable lessons through setbacks. When fear whispers that you are not capable, you can answer with quiet confidence that you are becoming stronger with every experience. These choices may appear insignificant in the moment, but they slowly reshape the foundation of your entire life. The subconscious mind responds to repetition more than intensity. Small, consistent acts of faith in yourself will accomplish more than occasional bursts of motivation. Continue speaking words that encourage your spirit. Continue imagining yourself succeeding with confidence and peace. Continue acting like the person you are becoming instead of the person you once believed yourself to be. Healing is not about pretending pain never existed. It is about refusing to allow pain to control the direction of your future. You were created with the ability to grow beyond disappointment, rise above fear, and develop a mindset that supports the life you truly desire. As each new belief takes root, you will discover that confidence is no longer something you search for outside yourself. It becomes a natural reflection of the healthy, hopeful, and empowered person you are choosing to become every single day.